You might not notice it at first, but every time you search, shop, locate, connect, engage, every time you do anything on your phone, websites leave strings that tug at you. Each one collects your private information, slows your performance, drains your power. And then you feel it. Disappointment, delay, frustration. Ads are listening, trackers following, cookies latching on. You're tied down by their rules. This isn't how it's supposed to be. So take control. Take back your life. Cut the strings. Get ClearPhone, the only phone designed from the ground up to block malware, ads, cookies, trackers, power and performance limiters, everything holding you back. Make your phone yours again. Make it clear.